Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the essentials in place. Sign into Power BI service and open or create the workspace you will publish to. Once done, prepare your source files, clean column names, and set types so Power BI can model them without surprises. Make sure permissions and any GDPR rules are resolved, otherwise refresh will fail. Now connect to the data source quickly so you can move straight into modeling and avoid backtracking during publishing. You next open Power BI Desktop and load data. Transform with Power Query to remove rows, pivot, and set types so query folding works. Once loaded, define relationships and create DAX measures for key metrics. This produces correct aggregations in visuals. Optimize by removing unused columns and lowering cardinality so refresh is faster. Then preview refresh locally and verify visuals and slicers work. This middle work prevents issues after you push the report to the web service. You finish by publishing the PBIX to your Power BI workspace and immediately configure dataset credentials. If data is on premises, install and set up the gateway and test connection. Once connected, set a refresh schedule and enable incremental refresh for large datasets to save time. Finally, validate access and RLS. If something fails, check the gateway status, update credentials, ensure query folding remains intact, and reduce dataset size. Resolving those items fixes most publish and refresh problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.